Keeping your Android phone password updated is one of the easiest ways to protect your personal information, photos, messages, banking apps, and other sensitive data. Whether you're changing your password for better security or simply because you've forgotten the old one and want a stronger replacement, the process only takes a few minutes. So, opening the Settings app on your Android phone, you can either swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon or find Settings in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and look for Lock Screen and AOD, Security and Privacy, or a similar option. The exact name may vary depending on your phone brand and Android version, but it will contain your screen lock settings. Now tap Screen Lock Type or Screen Lock. Before you can make any changes, your phone will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your current PIN, pattern, or password to confirm that you're the device owner. Once verified, choose the type of screen lock you want. If you'd like to continue using a password, tap Password. You can also switch to a PIN or pattern if you prefer a different unlocking method. Type your new password carefully, then tap Continue. Re-enter the same password to confirm it and tap OK or Confirm to save your changes. For the best protection, create a password that's unique and difficult to guess. A strong password usually combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using simple passwords like 123456, your birthday, or common words that others could easily guess. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and join us for more simple Android tutorials.